welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mansi and I make videos related to makeup, beauty and lifestyle. So in today's video, I wanted to unbox Amazon sarees for you. Because you guys seem to love my hauls so much, I thought that I should make another haul. I will link the videos of JABONG and MYNTRA kurti haul in the description bar, so do check that out. I've heard that the sarees are really cheap and you can get some amazing sarees on Amazon. Guys, whenever I'm surfing Amazon, I'm seeing so many sarees. So I thought that why not make a video for you guys. Let's try buying sarees online. Guys, first of all, I don't really wear sarees that often. I think I've worn a saree like 3 or 4 times in my entire life, and that too on special occasions. And when I am wearing a saree, I think that it should be perfect. I don't want that it should be of cheaper quality or it should not look good on me. So in today's video, I bought a saree from Amazon, which is from the brand called Craftsvilla. Guys, Craftsvilla also has a website if I'm not wrong, but I thought that I should just purchase it from Amazon, because on Amazon when you will go down, you can actually read the reviews and some people also share some pictures. So the saree I purchased had some good reviews, so I thought why not give it a try. Okay guys, so here is my packet. As you can see, this is a huge packet. It is packed very nicely with Amazon written on it. Already opened the bag because I just wanted to save some time. And let's get on with the product now. So guys, this is the saree. It's from Craftsvilla, as you can read here. It comes with its own card. So which says, Namaste, you have made an awesome choice. We are sure that you will love wearing the piece of the latest ethnic fashion, and we are overjoyed that your purchase is one of the newest designs. Do keep coming back to us every week for updates on ethnic fashion and new collection launches. Craftsvilla family, so that's a really good thing. Quickly now, I will unbox this saree for you. This is a chiffon saree with a beautiful embroidered lace work going on. This is like a carrot sort of color. It's between a peach and red. It's not particularly a peach color and it's not a red color or a pink color. It's like a gajri color. Also guys, one thing I'm observing over here, that when I saw the saree on the app, it was a slightly more peachy color. Stay till the end because I will show you how the saree looks on me. So first I will just show you how the saree is on its own. So this is how the saree is. As you can see that it has this embroidery going on and this border. The border looks fine to me. The quality of the saree is okay. I cannot say that the saree feels really rich. You can see that it's a chiffon saree and it's see-through. So this saree comes with this border and this embroidery work all over. So this is the pallu of the saree, which you will hang like this. So this is how the saree looks, and as you can see that this also has this beautiful floral work border going on, and the work is very nice guys. So guys, I will show you somewhere on the screen how the saree was looking on the application. This work with the border goes throughout the saree. On the application they say that it comes with a georgette blouse, but this is how the blouse looks like. It has the same embroidery as the saree, and again the border which will go on the sleeves of your blouse. So I think the blouse work is really good. Guys, I purchased this saree for rupees 1199, which is 1200 rupees. Also the saree arrived a week back, so I ordered it a week back, but now when I'm checking it on the application, it says that it's on discount. So I will link the product in the description box so you can check for yourself. I think the material of the saree is really thin. As you can see that it is so transparent, so I think you have to deal with this saree very carefully. It comes with regular 0.8 meter blouse length. Guys, for a fair review, I already opened this saree and I wore it last night so that I can give my full and honest review. This saree is not having enough height. Like, I am 5 feet 3 inches tall, so when I am wearing this saree without heels, guys, without heels, that is the last thing I do when I wear a saree. I always wear heels with saree because they look really sexy and hot. If the saree is not long enough to cover my height, also I see that there is a variation in the height. Like when I'm starting to wear the saree, the height is short, and when I'm plating the sari, like the plates which come in the front, the sari is long over there. So now going on to the material, this is a chiffon sari. They say that you have to hand wash this sari. The product that I mentioned is 550 centimeter into 110 centimeter. If you're planning to buy this sari, do check out different colors. It was available in different colors on Amazon. This sari is 6 yards in length, and that's about it. Now I will include a close-up of this sari, and then we will see how the sari looks on me. Now coming on to the final review, guys, what do I think of this sari? I think I will give this sari a 3 out of 5. Because this sari is just for rupees 1200, I think I cannot expect more out of this sari. Whatever it claims on the application, I think it's true to that, and the sari looks exactly the same how it is looking on the application. It's just a difference in the color overall. But if you are taller than 5 feet 3 inches, I think you should skip this sari, because the height of the sari is not long enough to cover your height. And if you are planning to wear heels with the sari, I don't think that this sari will look very flattering. I'm just giving it a 3 rating because the sari is really genuine and how it is looking on the application. That's all about the review, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want me to review any other product, please list it in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you haven't pressed the bell icon, do press the bell icon, because it will notify you for my future videos. I hope that you all are doing good. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.